going to present the impact of deforestation on the environment. Deforestation has been negatively affecting natural ecosystem biodiversity and the climate. Multiple factors, either of human or natural origin, cause deforestation. Natural factors include natural forest fires or parasite cause diseases which can result in deforestation. Nevertheless, human activities are among the main causes of global deforestation. Example 1. The agriculture in Sinaloa. Agriculture causes deforestation in a consequences of subsistence agriculture such as local peasant agriculture in developing countries. Commercial or industrial agriculture causes around 40% of forest loss in the search for space to grow food, fibers, or biofuel. The main reason why have to do with the large areas require both to raise livestock but also to grow its food. So according to the CIAP, Servicio de Información Agroalimentaria y Pesquera, Culiacán harvests the biggest areas in Mexico per year, means that is one of the 35 municipals that make these forests in Mexico. I guess it's not a solution because if we stop the agriculture, a huge part of the economy will fall, and also the agriculture is equal to food, so the best we can do is use products that are less harmful to the air and try to have irrigation system that do not use as much water and take care of the earth. The new constructions in Monterrey. Constructions of the human infrastructure has also been driving deforestation. More specifically, 10% of deforestation can be attributed to the new infrastructures that serve the current human lifestyle in four many ways: transportation, transformation, and energy generation. Now, Monterrey is one of the biggest cities in Mexico, so that's why until 2019 it's planning to construct 4 towers: Obispados Towers, Malva Tower, and Icon Tower. These buildings, they are going to reduce the green space that is in this state by reducing the green areas. On one hand, roads, rails, ports, or airports have been built to move all sorts of goods, from cereals and fruits to species, mineral or fossil fuels, either directly to trade centers or to transformation sites. So while at first we only fruit trees, roads soon arrived to allow transporting fruit other regions, and while some goods are collected manually, others such as coal, oil, natural gas, biomass, but also meat, dairy or spirits require the construction of a large extraction, transportation, or transformation infrastructure. The solution in this case is easy. Is if they going to construct more buildings, the ideal plan is to create more green areas to replace the resources that they take with the areas that they going to construct that buildings. Now, the second topic I'm going to present is the impact of mining on the environment. Mining can pollute air and drinking water, harm wildlife and habitat, and permanently scar natural landscapes. Modern mines, as well as abandoned mines, are responsible for significant environmental damage through the waste. More than 40% of stream reaches in western watersheds are contaminated by acid mine, drainage, and heavy metals. One is contaminated water in the states of Sonora, Chihuahua, Sinaloa, Zacatecas, and Oaxaca. Minerals are found in nature in small concentrations, requiring the activity of physicochemical process to concentrate minerals of commercial value, which implies the use of highly toxic substances such as cyanide. That produces large amounts of highly polluted wastewater. If we talk about copper, or a typical concentration of this metal is 0.5%. This indicates that the obtain of 5 kilograms of copper, it is required to process of 95 kilograms of mineral and 95 kilograms of contained solid waste originate, in addition to the volumes of water. Ecological disasters like in Sonora, 40,000 cubic meters of copper sulfate solution were spilled, causing an ecological disaster 2,054 kilometers from the Bacanui and Sonora rivers, directly affecting 22,000 people. Or events overflow or rupture of tailing dams for mining benefits, and the Tuito and Marasvasco rivers were affected. The cause was a heavy rains which were not anticipated to the poor quality designs. So the solutions: avoid and reduce water pollution. Lakes from waste ponds cause much of the water pollution from mining. To avoid contamination, waste ponds should be constructed away from water sources or watershed drainage cities. Example 2 is the air quality in all of those states that have mines. Hundreds of tons of rock are under moved and crossed in mining operations, significantly increasing the amount of dust and particulates in the air. In addition, mine tailings, which may contain finely ground and even toxic waste, can become airborne. This air pollution can directly affect human health. The most significant atmospheric emissions are due to the particles generated mainly during the mineral extraction process and its subsequent treatment. To this must be added those from road traffic and those that occur during operation of handling of collect minerals. The gases and vapors are the result of the detonation of explosives in mining operation and the emission of internal combustion engines for mining machinery, fixing installation, diesel generators, and compression, etc. The solutions are recovery, soil treatment, water treatment, prevention of acid roads, and control of gases emissions.